En kasaratan ko kay Mojko gon gursit speaker na babungge na baborod Moses Wetangula ko itikondo itikol chilewen ko rile Mojko tu yage gore tagenge na bagete sergali na bagbagenge kama Wetangula wala magaj case to ngale kyoto jabati chiniet na babola teta gore tagenge na bagisul dain te tuga bandap ta chiki Mojki mi speaker emit.
The work of rebuilding the nation is a duty for all of us, and not just that of the government. We must look at ourselves and see our true condition to deal effectively with our situation, for within every reflection lies the essence of what we can transform. Our socio-political and economic development must be underpinned by a value system where respect for all and among all should reign. We must hold dearly values such as respect, truth, love, justice, dignity, hard work, and equality. Your Excellency, ladies and gentlemen, as the Bible in the book of Nehemiah 2:18 reminds us, then I told them about how the gracious hand of God had been on me. They replied at once, yes, let's rise up and build. So they began this good work. Today, the gracious hand of God is on us. Let us rise up and build